my dear lovely folks, welcome back to Code with Sanju programming channel. So today in this video I will teach you the practical knowledge about classes and object in Java. So let's get started. So first here I am creating one folder name which is Java connection. Inside that Java connection, first I'll need to create a package. If you don't know the naming convention of package or a class, so you can watch my previous video for better understanding. So now here I am creating one package name which is JavaCon, and then create one class also. You can give any name, but first name should be capital. You can take a small letter also, but we have to follow standard naming convention. So that's why here I am taking C as a capital. So classes and object example. And then click on public static void main and then finish. So here our classes is created, but I have to create one class. Okay, so I'll create a class called person here. So class and then P capital person. Inside that class person, I will declare two attribute name and age. Okay, so string name. S should be capital because in Java S should be capital. String name and then data type int age. Int age and then put semicolon. Now I have to create one constructor. So instead of writing, we can do one thing. Just right click in your project and go to source and then click on generate constructor using field. So you just have to check which field you want as a constructor. So here my constructor is created. I can remove this super because there is no use of super here, super keyword here. So public person string name comma integer age. So in this example, I'll create a class called person with attributes name and age. And now I have to declare method name which is introduce. Okay, so let's create a method also. So just put an enter. Now I have to create one method which is public static. You can do any name. Instead of static, here I am using public void and then introduce and put parenthesis and give semicolon curly braces, and then inside that curly braces we have to write simply south and and control and backspace. So here you can see suggestion is coming system.out.println. So here I am taking name. Let's take hello, comma my name is, and enclosed yours double quotation mark and then use concatenation plus. If you don't have any idea about concatenation, so please ping me in comment, so I will make one video in concatenation also. And I am plus age plus year old. And dot. So here I am creating one method also. Hello, my name is, and then concatenation name plus, and I am concatenation age plus year old. Okay. So here in this example, I'll create a class called person with attribute name and age and a method called introduce that print out the person information that we will create object of the person class and use them to display their information. So let's do it. Okay, so inside that main method we have to perform all these operations. So now let's say here I am creating one object person p1. Let's say person p1 equals to new and then class name person, and inside that parenthesis we can put the name also. So we have to, here you can see red mark is coming. They say that you have to pass argument in this. So first pass argument like inside that parenthesis like Sanju, and then age something 22, and then put semicolon and press enter. You can make n number of objects using that class. Person P2, let's say person P2 equals to new person, and then you can give any other name which is, and then age 23, and then press enter. You have to take capital P instead of writing small because class is a capital. Now we have to display the information. So person P1 person 1 dot, let's say introduce. Suggestion is coming, not coming, so we have to write introduce and then enter. Person 2 dot introduce, and then so what they say, create class person 1. So there is no need to create class person 1 because our class name is this. So first what I need to do is I have created one class person string integer 2 attribute, and then created one constructor. After that in main method person, so we my object name is P1. So P1 dot introduce. So here you can see suggestion is not coming, so I have to write person 1 dot introduce and then enter. And P is my capital, so here we have to take P as a capital, and then write P2 dot, and we have to call the method, so introduce. Sometimes suggestion is not coming, so we have to write. Okay, so here my P2. Now I have to run this code. Now you can see, hello, my name is Sanju and I am 22-year-old. Hello, my name is Shumunda and I am 23-year-old. Okay. So in this example, I defined the person class with two attributes, name and age, and a constructor to initialize those attributes. The introduce method print out the person information in the main method. We create two person objects, which is P1 and P2, and call the introduce method on each object to display their information. Okay, so here is our class, which is person class. Here I have created person class, and here I am creating constructor. You can use that trick. Right click on your project and write whatever you want for your requirement. And then here method to introduce our class. Method to introduce person class. Person. Method to introduce the person, and in main method creating object. In previous video I told you that you have to use new keyword for creating an object. Let's see, here I am creating with the help of new keyword. I am creating an object here. Okay, so person intro, here using the introduce method we can display their information, and here I am creating object of the person class, or here I am displaying using the introduce method to display their information. If you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe with your friends, family and relatives. Thanks for watching this video.